Welcome to Over Channel, where we share valuable survival tips for all your outdoor adventures. Today, we're addressing a critical situation, staying warm overnight in your car when you're stuck on a highway with no way to build a fire. Let's dive in and learn how to survive the cold. The key to winter survival is preparation. Before your trip, make sure your car is equipped with emergency supplies like blankets, extra clothing, and high-energy snacks. If you find yourself stuck in your car due to weather or road conditions, the most important thing is to stay calm. Panic can cloud your judgment. Seal any cracks or openings in your car with clothing or blankets to keep the cold air out. This will help retain heat. Put on as many layers of clothing as you have available. The more layers you wear, the more insulation you will have. If you're with others, huddle together for warmth. Your collective body heat will help you stay warmer. Emergency heat sources like hand warmers or chemical heat packs can be a lifesaver. Place them inside your clothing to stay warm. To stay warm, avoid moving around too much and try to conserve your energy. Stay awake in shifts if you have multiple people in the car. Use signaling tools like flashlights, emergency flares, or a whistle to alert rescue teams or passing vehicles. In a winter survival situation, your car can be your lifeline. I hope these tips help you stay warm and safe when you're stuck on the highway during the cold months. If you found this video valuable, please like, share, and subscribe for more essential survival tips from my channel. Stay safe out there.